Homeowners need to check their smoke detectors on a regular basis, but you also need to check your carbon monoxide alarm. 22 News reporter Haley Crumblehome joins us live with why you may want to look at the date on your CO alarm.
Well, smoke detectors last an average of 10 years, but most carbon monoxide detectors only last around 7 years, and the CDC actually recommends changing them every 5 years. Last night here in Springfield, luckily some residents of an apartment building were alerted by their carbon monoxide detectors after a leak forced residents to leave their apartment building in Indian Orchard after their detectors alerted them to an issue with the heating system. If CO builds up in your home overnight, it could kill you in your sleep. And that's why CO detectors should be placed close to bedroom doors. Every year, carbon monoxide poisoning kills hundreds of people and sends tens of thousands to the hospital. Carbon monoxide is an odorless and colorless gas. If your CO detectors aren't working, you could die. Carbon monoxide can build up in your home from faulty stoves, fireplaces, ranges, and furnaces. You might have combination smoke detector CO alarms and not even know it.
Sure. On the detector, it's going to say what it is, carbon monoxide, smoke. It might say photoelectric detector along with carbon monoxide, and when it goes into alarm, it's going to tell you why it went alarm. It may say fire, fire with the alarm. It may say warning, carbon monoxide if that was the cause for the alarm.
Have your heating system professionally serviced every year. And when it snows, make sure the exhaust vents outside are clear to avoid CO buildup. If you lose power and run a generator, make sure it's well outside your house and definitely not in your garage. In those instances where your power does go out, the CDC recommends battery-powered CO detectors. And the symptoms of carbon monoxide poisoning are similar to the flu, a headache, dizziness, and an upset stomach. Live in Springfield, Haley Crumblehome, 22 News.